Hello everyone. Hopefully you are here because you are about to take your Edgenuity geometry exam. I understand that everyone comes here at different levels, so listen closely. If you have never signed into Edgenuity before, please watch this entire video. I will teach you all of these steps, so no worries, I got you. If you already know how to sign into Edgenuity and you just need to sign up for the exam course, please jump ahead to this time. You can use the YouTube scroll below to jump ahead to this time. It will show up right here. If you are already enrolled in the course and you don't know how to find the cumulative exam or the review, please jump ahead to this timestamp shown right here. The timestamps are also in the description below, so please go ahead and check it out, and let's begin. Hi everyone, so here's how you log into your Clever account and eventually your Edgenuity account. So first, please look for your SLUSD bookmarks. It should be on your top left corner if you are on a Chromebook. If you are on your normal laptop, the link is in the description below. But once you click on bookmarks, you should have a Clever link right here and you'll see a blue C. Go ahead and click on that and that leads you to this home page. Again, if you're on your laptop, go ahead and check out the description. Here you can go ahead and click on either of these options. I'm going to go ahead and click through my Google account. It's the easiest because it's the same login as your email. Here I have my list of emails, but I'm going to go ahead and log in through my slusd.us. And hopefully your Clever login page looks somewhat like mine. You'll have a lot of icons and you'll have a blue bar at the top. Now you can go ahead and search for Edgenuity on your Clever homeroom. You might have to scroll down, but eventually you'll find Edgenuity, this colorful butterfly looking icon right here. Go ahead and click on it. Alright, so once you log in, this is the Edgenuity homepage. And now at this step, you want to sign up for your geometry fall exam course. And hopefully you notice that you already have some classes signed up for you, but you're going to add this course through this plus sign right up here next to your name. So please click on this plus sign. And then you are going to type in this access code right on that screen. Go ahead and type it letter for letter and number for number. Please make sure it's exact so that you sign up for the correct class. Then please click Enroll. Once you click Enroll, hopefully Geometry Semester 1 Fall Exam pops up and you have successfully signed up for your fall exam for geometry. Alright, let's head up to step 3, which is to find your final exam, or it's also called the cumulative exam. What I'd love for you to do is go ahead and go to the course, but click on this purple button. You should ignore the fact that you have 54 or more overdue activities. You're going to actually jump ahead to the important thing, which is the cumulative exam right here on this outline on the right-hand side. Notice it's bold right here, and when you click on it, please click on the not bolded words which says cumulative exam. When you click on it, you'll see in purple your exam, and hopefully you're looking at this ahead of time because the cumulative exam review is a really good resource to do ahead of time. Ignore the fact that I have 12% and please take the time ahead of your test to try and do some review. This is about 25 questions and hopefully you have time to do it and practice. On the day of the exam though, say you want to begin your test, you can go ahead and click on the cumulative exam right here at the very bottom, and you may begin your test. If it has a bar right here that says your assessment is locked and pending your teacher's review, please let your teacher know and they will contact the correct people. All right, thank you for watching, and if you're taking your final exam today, good luck.